Easy and simple quilling design. Welcome board. Welcome to Artsmith channel. This is how final output looks like. Take quilling paper, with the help of tool roll it, as shown in the video. Roll it, in different sizes as shown in the video. Take A4 size paper, take printout of welcome on it. Cut the design as shown in the video. Take another plain paper, stick rolled quilling paper on it with the help of glue. Keep sticking it, till it covers the welcome text. Stick rolled quilling paper at the corners of the paper, just for the support. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like the video. Thanks for watching.